Here is a quick catch up on what you missed in the first part of the Lorn Rose Farm quick reno. We had gardening, furniture makeovers, lots of spray painting, feature walls, and some amazing art. Now it's time to move on to the next feature wall. This is going to be a triptych of wallpaper panels. Wallpaper is on, simple, quick and easy, no matching patterns, no pattern repeats, absolutely nothing. It is the easiest thing to wallpaper. Now to frame these, I'm just using simple square cut, as in straight edge cut battens, they're called, from Bunnings, and they're pre-primed, so they're going to be a dream to put on. We're going to create simple white frames around each panel and our wall's done. And the painting continues and continues. Next job is the fireplace wall. It is a beautiful fireplace, but it does leave me feeling a bit meh. So, armed with some wallpaper and more paint, I'm going to bring it to life. Now this wasn't easy, as we had to pattern match and we had to cut in around the brick and surfaces on this wall, but it was completely worth it because it is looking so much better already.
So one of the fun things for me today was that we had a couple of visitors to the farm. So we had Josh, our builder, and we also had a local entrepreneur.
She had good juju.
She really did, but what was really fun about that was showing other people around the house, because I love seeing it through other people's eyes. And also for people to come in and see all the things that we're doing and just go, oh my god, that's so amazing. Oh, look at the wallpaper.
We take it all for granted, hey? Like when they come in and see the patchwork and they're like, and we're like, oh yeah, we did that earlier.
Yeah, totally. And also because we'd gotten a lot of the rubbish out.
Yes.
So people could walk around and they could really see the space, and it just makes me really excited for when everyone arrives on Saturday.
Yeah. And I think it also, I love watching you take people around the farm, because it's literally like you are introducing them to your first child, but it's a pretty first child, hey? Like much prettier than newborns.
Definitely. Yeah, it's
but
great.
no, it's true. It's really nice, and I think, you know, you've always had this philosophy of energy into the furniture, energy into our intent in the spaces, energy into the fun we have when we're hunting for things, and I think I think it's paying off. I'm a wee bit tired.
Definitely, my feet. I've got a blister.
Oh no!
Yeah, I've got a blister, and I'm just like,
I need some Nurofen.
I've got some.
Oh, awesome! I think when we both sat down and we went, oh.
But that's more than halfway now. We're more than halfway.
2 days to go, and hopefully, I reckon the next 2 days will be less physical work. It's been one more afternoon on the spray gun. Not a lot of painting left to do. I think some of our real big grunt work's done, and I think we could get into what some people would think is maybe the pretty fun stuff next. And we'll show you some of that tomorrow maybe.
Yes.
Bring it. Day 4 is here, which means we're nearly at day 5, which means we're nearly at the end. So I've started like a freight train today, upholstering seat pads. I'm gonna hit the spray gun later, and I don't know if it's fatigue setting in, but energy is high today. A lot of things hopefully will come together today, and that fills my heart.
So day 4 today, I am gonna try and head out and frame some of the little pictures that I've been collecting, get out some of the books I've been collecting for the last 6 months. I can't wait to show you those. They're amazing decorator and cooking books from the 80s and 90s, and they're amazing. And I'm also going to try and avoid doing too much spraying. I know Naomi is going to grab me and make me do it, and it's not my favorite thing to do, so I'm going to be avoiding her all day, but don't tell us.
Busted, Denise. Lucky though, I have you on paintbrushes today and not on the spray gun. Fireplace, it is for Denise first up. It's sanded and taped, and now it's time to seal it off before the colour comes in. So whenever you're working with timbers that have been previously treated or painted, it's essential you seal in all the previous treatments before putting your new one on top. Whilst Denise is onto that one, I'm onto upholstering some seats for a dining setting that I've made over specifically for this event. The best part of this is that the fabric is recycled as well. Then back to that fireplace. Denise has moved on to her next task and I'm left to bring in the pink. Oh yeah, I am using a water-based enamel here so that I can get maximum durability with minimum recoat window for this amazing colour. Not every room in this house is being treated to a spruce up for this event. The bathroom is in really good condition and has an amazing pink vanity top, but the mirror frame does let the space down drastically. So I've asked Denise to prep this mirror so I can introduce some more colour and remove this frame from the 80s, whilst I go hit that gun again. This is the last dining set I have to spray for this weekend, and it's going to be a glorious shade of pink. Things do look nearly done, but we have so far to go. No stopping until every last detail is sorted. Day 4.
I'm so tired.
We don't have many words, do we really?
No, but it looks really good. And I feel like anything extra we can do now is a bonus, not that it needs to be done. Does that make sense? Like, even if you can't finish off the fireplace, it still looks okay. Like, I know you will, but like nothing is so dire now. Like, we can run an event here. It looks lovely. It needs some finishing touches, but there's nothing that's not going to happen.
100%. It will all get over the line now, and now it's just sort of the icing on the cake. So this morning when I was doing little bits that were sort of pulling it all together, I was having, do you ever, it might just be me, I get teary about interiors. Do you get teary about interiors?
I don't know if I get teary, but it is pretty cool.
It is. I get teary about interiors.
Look at you crying now.
I'm walking, I'm like, the wallpaper's so nice.
It's so nice.
And the patchwork is so good.
It's so pretty. So we're doing end of day 4, but it's not really, because I'm actually going late night shopping tonight because it is a Thursday. So my job is I'm going to find some cushions that match our Nana couch, and what else? Just, oh my god.
So we need cushions, we need mats,
throw rugs.
We need throws for the back of the lounge.
Probably some more vases.
I was about to just say totally. We need some of the, you know, the small sort of bulbous vases that could be on like little side tables and multiple ones on coffee tables. I need to finish some serious hardcore lampshades halfway, but they are going to be like, they're going to go for like frogs and socks. It's going to be awesome. So we might seem a little flat, but it's been a really big day.
Yeah, we're tired.
We did paint a pink dining table today.
And a pink fireplace. And a pink mirror.
Oh my god!
3 different pinks.
All right, let's see. Day 5. Night, guys.
Okay, so day 5. Oh god, last night I was at the shops for ages because I already got cables, but I got them the wrong amp, so I'm learning lots as we go. Very early this morning I was feeling very discouraged because I'm also not only doing this house, I'm finishing off the build at my other house. So it was feeling very stretched, but now that I'm here and I'm unloading my car of all my latest purchases, I'm very excited to see where we'll get to by the end of the day.
I don't know if it's just because it's the last day, but I have a massive surge of energy. On site 5 minutes, bathroom mirror painted, and we do have a big day ahead. It's all that final stuff that, you know, it looks nearly done, but it's the flowers and the styling and the books and the making the beds and sorting the kitchen and finishing the fireplace and the lampshades. As you can see, there's a bit on, but I think there's always this big energy pump on the last day of a project because everyone's just so excited to see it wrap up. So you get to watch it all unfold.
day 5. This is pretty much it now for me. I have to go home. I have to get my hair done. I have to start preparing for all my guests tomorrow. So I've kind of left the team here to finish the team as if I'm directing it. But Naomi and her team are here and they're doing all the last minute things. So I'm gonna come in tomorrow fresh and see things kind of the way that the participants will see them for the first time, which I'm really excited about. But I gotta run, so see you tomorrow.
Denise has now gone off to get into her zone of genius, and it is all hands on deck. Naturally, we are styling with roses, all direct from our very own greenhouse here. And all the foliage is from the pruning that we did on site earlier this week. I've got the building team here now who are installing some hooks for the amazing floral artists that are going to come in and complete the floral installations for us, which will truly take this space to the next level. End of day 5. It is a super quick but super intense and super glamorous and feminine reno. I'm hugging a cushion because I'm so exhausted, and I'm sure I'll come back with a more energetic wrap later, but for now I'm saying over and out and mwah, enjoy the Lorn Rose Farm.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to see it. So pretty. Already I can just see how much work has happened since I was here yesterday. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful everything is. Oh, it's just magical. Thank you so much, Naomi. My Nana would have loved this so much. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Naomi. If you want more details on exactly how we pulled each of these elements and furniture pieces off, make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because we'll be having each of these how-tos uploaded for you very soon.